Hey guys, Steve from Boomba here. In this video, we're going to show you our two different kinds of stickers and also how to slap them on a car.
Slap one on your coworker's car. Slap another one on your coworker's car. Slap another one on your coworker's car. He's either going to love you or hate you.
You guys might be asking, why are we doing a video on stickers right now? But believe it or not, we actually get a lot of questions regarding our stickers. Do we sell them? And how do we apply them? Well, we've got two main types. This one's going to be our crack and peel. This is the one that's included in your box whenever you order anything directly from Boomba's website. So go to Boomba's website and order. And then we also have our multi-layer vinyl. These are premium vinyl cut right here in USA in our shop. And we'll get to these ones in a second because they're a little bit more confusing.
Slap one on your boss's car. Try not to get fired.
Alright, so the first step in any sticker install is you want the surface to be clean. You know, it's not going to stick well if you got a bunch of your fingerprint smudges all over the windshield. So this is what we're going to do right now. Get your trusty paper towels and your bottle of Windex. Spray it down. Wipe it away. So once you've got your area nice and clean and dry, I like to take a microfiber, kind of just go over, get any little dust specks that might be left over from your paper towel, wipe them down, throw that off to the side, then crack your sticker. They're going to come off in sometimes one, sometimes two sections, just like that, and then lay it down. Be sure it is exactly where you want it to be. They aren't that hard to remove. You can always just use a razor blade, but this prevents you messing up your awesome Boomba sticker. Once you lay it down, wipe down the area, make sure you get all the air bubbles out, and there you go. So this is our second style of sticker. These are our premium cut vinyls. These are actually cut right here in our Wooddale facility. I'm going to show you how to slap this one on next. But hold on, first there's going to be some cleaning. So wipe down your surface, make sure it's nice and clean. And then after I hit it with the paper towel, I like to hit it with the microfiber. That was an interesting catch. So with these ones, what you want to do is there's a clear layer on top and then there's a little cardboard backing piece here. Grab the clear layer and the cardboard and start peeling back, but if you notice, it's sticking to the clear part. That is exactly what you want. You want it to stick to the clear part, just like that. And once you get it off. So now that we've got the backing separated from the applicator tape, we're gonna go ahead and just slap it on the glass. So just make sure you get it nice and center however you want it. Just like that. And then you can take a credit card, you can take your state ID, whatever, squeegee works, and then you kind of just want to squeegee out as much of the air as you can. Basically, you just want the vinyl part to stick to the glass. That's why we clean it so well too. You want it to stick. All right, then after you get that, you're going to grab the clear part again. And I like to kind of keep it as close to the glass as you can because that makes it, you know, really pop off really easily. So kind of just take it like that. Just like that. So another technique that can be used, just take a spray bottle, put a drop of dish soap in there, fill it up with water, give it a little shake, and you can kind of spray down the window. Now you don't need a bunch of the water on here. But basically this is just going to add for a little bit of lubrication so that you can position the sticker exactly where you want it. So once you get your lubrication down, you can go ahead and just take your sticker, position it where you want it. See, and that water allows you to be able to move it around a little bit. So get it nice and centered, nice and flush, just like that. And grab your little squeegee again. But first what I like to do is kind of just take a paper towel, fry out the surface a little bit, and then anytime you're squeegeeing, you always want to start from the center and work your way outwards, because that's going to force all the water from the middle of the sticker out and into your paper towel. So that is what I'll do now. Okay, once you get most of the water dried from the outside of the sticker, then you can take your nice squeegee here from the center out, as always. Give it one final press down with your towel, absorb any of the excess moisture. All right, so then you can go ahead and just peel her off. Just like that. Now, last thing you're gonna wanna do, just take your towel, squeeze out any of the little bubbles that you might see. Make sure it's nice and tight on the window. All right guys, hope that video was helpful. If you have any questions, we are on all forms of social media. We would love to hear from you. Also, if you want one of these stickers, links are gonna be down below in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to see more videos from Boomba Racing, possibly with me in it, throw a comment down there. Thanks guys.
Okay, quick test. Say something. Testing, testing.
Say something. Testing, testing. Just wanted to let you guys know nope, not gonna let you guys know. My name is Steve, coming at you from Boomba Racing. Totally messed that up again. We're just gonna let this one roll out. Okay, cool. Power of editing. Steve from Boomba Racing. Nope. All right. And we're also gonna, nope. This is not that easy. Oh boy, you're gonna have to edit the out of this one. All my mistakes. It's all right, we got some good bloopers going.
Yeah, we do.
Oh, are we rolling?
Go ahead.
We're live. All right.